Hey, I'm Kyle from Drive Wheaton TV with another quick tip. Chilly weather is here, so it seems like a good time to go over how to use a Honda remote starter. First off, you need to be within 50 meters of the vehicle, and keep in mind that obstructions like big buildings can affect the range. It won't work if any of the vehicle's doors are open or the other key is inside the vehicle. To start the engine, press the lock button and then press the remote start button within 5 seconds. That's the little half circle with an arrow. The headlights will flash multiple times to let you know the engine is started. It'll run for 10 minutes before shutting off, but you can extend it by another 10 minutes by repeating the process during the initial 10 minutes. If you want to stop the engine at any point, just press and hold the remote start button again. The lights will flash once when the engine turns off. The climate control system will always work to get the interior to an ideal 22 degrees. Once you've entered the vehicle with the engine running, you must press the brake pedal and push the start-stop button, and then you're ready to begin driving. Make sure to stay tuned for more quick tips.